Have you ever wondered how Pakistan, a country of more than 220 million people, came into existence? Unraveling this tale takes us back to 1947, when British India was partitioned. Amidst the tumult of the time, a new state was carved out for Muslims, Pakistan. The man at the helm of this monumental task was none other than Muhammad Ali Jinnah, whose vision and leadership were instrumental. Thus, in the midst of chaos and bloodshed, Pakistan emerged on the world map. With its birth, Pakistan faced a plethora of challenges. Imagine a newborn nation grappling with mass migration, territorial disputes, and the struggle to form a functioning government. The partition of British India in 1947 sparked one of the largest mass migrations in human history, as millions uprooted their lives seeking a new start in a new land. At the same time, territorial disputes, most notably over the region of Kashmir, ignited tensions that persist to this day. But amidst the turmoil, there was hope. The struggle to establish a functioning government eventually led to the creation of the country's first constitution in 1956. This pivotal moment marked Pakistan as an Islamic republic. The constitution was a beacon, guiding the nation towards a vision of unity, democracy, and Islamic principles. It was a testament to the resilience of the Pakistani people, who despite numerous hurdles were carving their own path. Despite numerous hurdles, Pakistan was carving its own path. The late 1950s saw a significant shift in Pakistan's political landscape. With the military coup in 1958, Pakistan entered a new era, marked by military rule under Field Marshal Ayub Khan. This period, often known as the Decade of Development, was characterized by rapid industrial growth, but also by political repression and social inequality. The tensions brewing beneath the surface erupted in the form of two devastating wars with India, in 1965 and 1971. The first war, triggered by territorial disputes over Kashmir, ended in a stalemate. But the second war had far-reaching consequences. It was a direct result of the political and economic disparities between East and West Pakistan, which had been simmering since the country's inception. The 1971 war culminated in the secession of East Pakistan, leading to the creation of a new nation, Bangladesh. This was a monumental event, reshaping the political and social fabric of the region. It was a moment of deep introspection for Pakistan, a time to reckon with the realities of its national identity and political structure. The impact of these events was profound. Pakistan, a nation born out of the quest for religious autonomy and self-governance, found itself grappling with its own internal contradictions. It was a nation bruised by wars and political turbulence in search of stability. The turn of the century brought a new era for Pakistan. The country witnessed an epochal shift towards civilian rule, marking the end of a long spell of military dominance. This was a period of significant political transformation, with the strengthening of democratic institutions at its core. The onset of the new millennium also saw Pakistan embroiled in the global war on terror. The country bore the brunt of the conflict, facing both internal and external challenges. Yet it showed remarkable resilience, fighting against the tide of extremism and working towards peace and stability. But it's not just the political landscape that has seen change. The past few decades have also brought about significant economic development. The country has made strides in industries such as textiles, agriculture, and technology, making it a promising player in the global market. Looking ahead, the future of Pakistan holds immense potential. With a young and vibrant population, the country is poised for a demographic dividend. Investments in education and infrastructure, coupled with policy reforms, are paving the way for a prosperous future. Pakistan's journey has been one of struggle and triumph, of challenges met and obstacles overcome. The nation has shown that it can weather the storm, that it can rise from the ashes stronger and more determined. Despite its tumultuous past, Pakistan continues to stride forward, shaping its own destiny. In 5 minutes, we've journeyed through over 7 decades of Pakistan's history. We've seen the birth of a nation, navigated its early challenges and first constitution, and delved into periods of military rule and wars. We've also explored its recent history and future prospects. Each era, significant in its own right, has shaped the Pakistan we know today. Pakistan's history is a testament to resilience and determination, a nation that continues to evolve and grow despite the odds.